Roblox dating, a timeless gateway for the boys before we ventured into the other fascinating corners of the internet. I mean, let me tell you, your boy was a ladies' man on the platform back in 2016. So you know what we're gonna do today? Your boy is gonna bring dating to Roblox. What the fuck am I doing with my life? Now, we all know that virtual dating in Roblox is banned, so we can't really make a dating game like Tinder or anything of that sort. So, I'm going to get around this by having a talking NPC go on the date instead. However, I don't want the conversation to get dry with pre-written responses from the NPC. I want the NPCs to have some characters, some sort of personality. Now, your first question is probably going to be, Code Dummy, how are you going to achieve this? And I'll get to that in a second. Your other question is probably, are you going to release the kids from your basement? And my answer to that is, no, I don't think I will. So, ChatGPT has a public API, which basically means I can use their technology in any form of application I want. Awesomely enough, Roblox Studio's HTTP service lets me access data from the internet. With every player chat to their NPC date, I'm going to send that message to ChatGPT to analyze and send back a message for the NPC to respond with, imitating a real date conversation. Alright, that was a lot to get through, but yeah, I guess let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to create a new base plate. Yeah. Alright, so first I think we need to sort of build the setting for our dating game. So my original plan was to have it like set, you know, in a balcony in like Paris or something like really, really romantic. But I forgot one thing. I can't fucking build. I'm a programmer, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, I just messaged my modeler, and so I guess we'll just wait for his response in like a week or two. But in the meantime, I guess we can work on the scripting side of the game. I just inserted a rig character. His name is David. Everyone say hi to David. He is going to be our test subject for this video idea. But yeah, I don't know, man. I just realized that I actually have no clue how to even start coding this thing that will send data to ChatGPT and then back. So this is gonna be fun. Alright, so I did some digging and I found this awesome module scripted by Core himself, and it helped me understand more about HTTP service and how to send data to ChatGPT and back. So don't mind if I just yoink this for myself. My code now, motherfucker. Alright, so I quickly coded up a NPC system where the NPC will turn to look at you if you are close to it. And that took me a lot longer than I would like to admit. Oh yeah, also his name isn't David anymore. The NPC receives a random name when the game starts. Along with the help of the module scripted by Core himself and the help of the ChatGPT API documentation, I managed to quickly finish making the NPC give dialogue based off what the player says, which was honestly pretty cool to see in Roblox Studio. With the help of some face icon packs I found in the toolbox, I also made the NPC move their mouth while talking, which makes the conversation experience a little more personal and a bit more realistic. Alright, so we've got a problem. The NPC is talking like how ChatGPT would respond, and his dialogue is too formal and doesn't really resemble anything close to human-like dialogue. This is where prompt engineering comes in. In a nutshell, prompt engineering is how you can effectively tell how you want ChatGPT to behave. In my case, I wanted to speak like a human and have some sort of personality. In the code, I edited my NPC script to support personalities as well as moods, aka emotions. Next, I edited the prompt so that ChatGPT behaves the way I want it to. Now, we finally have a working example of an NPC that speaks realistic human dialogue with emotions that can change. And yes, the NPC's facial expressions change to reflect their mood. Alright, welcome to the clip of the demo, and what's funny is, like, The script is supposed to choose a random name for the NPC when the game runs, and this is like the first take, and I guess it selected David, which is kind of perfect. So welcome back, David. I think I'm gonna kill your family. Oh, bro's sad now. My bad, Jit. Wait, why did he... I just said I apologize. Wait, why did he get angry? Yo, I apologize. I was just joking. Bro, accept the apology. Alright, so it looks like the facial expressions are changing and his mood's changing based off what you say, which is really cool. I want to piss him off one more time though. What should I say? Actually, no, I'm gonna compliment him. I like your smile, even though he's not smiling, but I don't give a shit. Okay, he's happy again. Alright. So yeah. Very, very cool. Okay, so after recording the demo, I noticed that the NPC is kind of naked, if I do say so myself. So for today, I spent most of my morning coding a system that dresses the NPCs randomly with clothing and hair from the Roblox catalog shop. Wow, that's a really cool hair item you made. Would be a shame if someone used your item in a game without your permission. The random clothing adds a nice touch by bringing the NPCs to life just a little bit. I also made it so that the skin tone changes, which adds more of a variation from the boring gray color on the default NPC dummy. So if you're into Asians or Latinas, I got some good news for you. What's amazing about ChatGPT is that it will easily reflect the personality of whatever adjective you give it. If I want the character to be cocky, for example, I can make the NPC cocky just by changing the personality attribute I've assigned. I can do this with any adjective used to describe people: kind, argumentative, socially awkward, etc. Alright, so my buddy just messaged me back and sent me what he built. Let me say, he definitely got the romantic vibe down on this one. If you need a good model or builder, his contact should appear somewhere in the video, so go hit him up if you need one. And lastly, it's time to merge the map and the NPC together. I'll make some tweaks and the game will basically be finished. Alright, so basically the last thing to do is create a simple menu so that you can choose your preference for your date. And just like that, the project is essentially finished.